floor that still knows my name, horror story. I used to clean offices at night. One floor was always locked, except on Tuesdays, when the light was already on. I never saw anyone leave. The security desk said no one was scheduled there. One night, the elevator opened by itself. The floor smelled like cold dust and old water. Every desk had a family photo turned face down. At the far end, a computer was running, typing by itself. My name, over and over. I ran downstairs. The guard was gone. His chair spun slowly, radio hissing. On the monitor, every camera showed me standing on that locked floor, staring straight up at the lens. The typing started again behind me. The police later told me the floor had been sealed for 10 years, after a night cleaner was found dead at her desk. Her name was mine. I quit, but sometimes my badge still logs in alone.